For the past 4 years, I've been studying fashion design in college. I've spent countless nights sewing until the sun would rise in the morning, and it's bittersweet that it's all finally over. I had to create a short collection as my final project for my undergraduate career. And although it's my final project, I wanted it to be our collection. That's why I created 5 wearable looks and patterns for almost all these garments. This way, you can create this collection too. My name is Kiana Bonolo, and this is my senior collection, Heartbreaker.
Press go to begin.